We all come across scenarios where we find a hidden or system partition that we need to delete to get some extra space. In today's tutorial I shall tell you how to delete hidden and system partitions using Windows built-in tools. I've plugged in a USB drive that has 3 partitions. One is data partition and other 2 are system partitions. 2 partitions, that is CG16 SAN and USB drive, are visible on screen. Now let's open the disk management tools using Windows Run Dialog. Press Win button and R simultaneously on your keyboard to open Run Dialog. Now type diskmgmt.msc and hit OK. Disk management tool has been opened and you can see all 3 partitions of my USB. Here we see that delete option for 99 MB EFI partition is grayed out. That is, it cannot be deleted. Partition with 601 MB size is a Windows recovery partition and cannot be deleted as well. CG16 SAN is a normal partition and we can see there is an option to delete the volume. Let's delete the 2 partitions that cannot be deleted in Disk Management tool. Open Run Dialog by pressing Win button and R simultaneously on your keyboard. Type here DiskPart and hit OK. It will ask for a UAC prompt. Hit Yes. It will open DiskPart command line tool. Now type list disk to list currently attached disks on your system. Next select the desired disk using Select Disk command. In our case it is disk 1 and we have selected it using Select Disk 1. Next we need information about the partitions. That can be obtained using List Partition. This lists the partitions for selected disk. It has shown 3 partitions, as we have seen earlier in Disk Management tool. We need to delete partition 3 and 2 having sizes 99 MB and 601 MB. So let's select partition 3 using Select Partition 3 command. We have successfully selected the required partition and now we shall delete it. For that we shall use command delete partition. The partition has not been deleted because it is a system protected partition. For that we need forcefully delete it by adding override flag to the delete command. Now let's try again. And we can see partition has been deleted. We can verify using list partition. Now select the partition 2 and delete it. Let's go to Disk Management and extend our main disk to consume space we have obtained by deleting 2 partitions. Open Disk Management using Run Dialog and typing diskmgmt.msc in the open field and hitting OK. Disk Management tool has been opened. But we can see disk cannot be extended. Let's go back to DiskPart tool and select the disk 1 and partition 1. After we have selected the partition 1 successfully, type extend and hit enter. Our data partition has been extended with all available free space. Same as verified in Disk Management tool. Not it is a single partition as it is visible under this PC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.